In this Technology Skills for Kids video, we are going to take a quick look at some popular macOS keyboard shortcuts. Before we demonstrate the first keyboard shortcut, which is Select All, we have to place the blinking line or text insertion point. And to do that, we can use the mouse or trackpad to click anywhere inside the document. It doesn't matter where, as long as the blinking line winds up in there someplace, before you perform the Select All keyboard shortcut. With the blinking line placed anywhere inside the document, we can go ahead and perform the Command A keyboard shortcut. Command A. Please note all of the text in the document is highlighted. Always pay close attention to visual cues during technology use. And here's how that looks on the keyboard. Command A. Now we can go ahead and perform the Command C keyboard shortcut. Command C, which will copy the selected text to the invisible clipboard on this computer. Press and hold down the Command key and type the letter C. Next, we will Command Tab over to the Google Chrome web browser. Hold down the Command key, press the Tab key once, twice, 3 times. Here's how that looks on the keyboard. Press and hold down the Command key, press the Tab key once, twice, 3 times. Release the Command key. And finally, for the sake of demonstration, here in my Google Docs account, we'll create a blank document. Make sure the blinking line is here. And then perform the Command V keyboard shortcut. That's Command V, which pastes the copied text into this new document. Here's how that looks on the keyboard. Command V. Thank you for watching. My name is Tech Wizard Mike.